Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by slate, heart in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Spin stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise, haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heart beats quick pace, victory in sight, I ain't falling from grace. Trades by slate, heart in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Spin stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade.
Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? We've been on an insane run this week, man. Oh, we have been absolutely killing it. But how's everybody doing? Let me know who's in here. I want to say hello to everybody as they come in and say what's up. And I'm going to get the music started over here. We get the music started up. So we got some jams going. How's everybody doing this morning? Yo, Doug, what's up from the ATL? Let's go, dude. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this perfect level, sell side level marked out. Hit it and completely reversed. I'll go over this trade here in just a minute. But another great trade this morning in the London session with the Discord group. I don't know, man. The entry for long would have been somewhere down here. I would say it's kind of overextended right now. I mean, it could keep going, but I'd wait for a pullback. I don't know. I'm gonna do an analysis in a minute, though. Do an analysis in a minute. All right, we got the music going. You joining up? Say hello. Hit that like button, and let's get going. Yo, yo, yo. Let's see. Let's get into this trade here. So let me show you exactly what I was looking at. Let's turn this off. If we go over here to the 4-hour time frame, if we're looking at the 4-hour time frame right here, you can see right here. This is what I was looking at. So we have a fair value gap right here, a tiny 4-hour fair value gap. And this candle right here inversed it, which means it closed below it. So from there, after it closed below there, I was bearish all the way until we hit this sell side level right here, which is just this bottom wick down here. And so let's get down here to the 1 minute time frame now. And when I got on the charts this morning at 3 a.m., we were just kind of coming down, really no pullbacks to get in. And then right here, I thought we were just going to go down there and hit that level. We got this pullback right here, and I said, you know, if this 1 minute fair value gap right here gets inversed, I'll take the short down to this sell side level down here. Well, it closed below there. We got in short, and then it came down to this fair value gap right here and started to kind of reject from it. So from there, I got out for 21 points down here, and then I said it's probably gonna go down to that level. And so some people held, and it came up, retested this inversion, and then came down, and most people got out right here for 48 points. And I was telling them, you know, make sure you're taking profits on the way down, because look what happened. It took out this low, literally edged this sell side level down here. Let me see. It literally got so close. Dude. It got so close down here to taking out this level, and then it reversed and would have stopped everybody out. And then it finally went down there and took that level out. So thought it was a really good trade. We got out here plus 48 points. Yo, Finance Fix, thanks for the sub. Can you guys chat in the chat? I only see one message. Is it working, or is just nobody typing today, or what? I guess I don't know. Yo, what's up, Jans? How's it going? Yeah, but it's only for a minute. And usually people in here typing. Here we go. What's up, Tactical Reviews? What's up, Calvin? What's up, Fifth Day Aviator? What's going on? What's going on? What's up, Josh Allen? What's up? What's up? Give me just a second. I got. We're back. But yeah, caught this nice trade here in the London session. I'm up about $900 today, and if I would have held for here, it would have been about double that. But yeah, and then it eventually went down, took out this sell side level that we had marked out perfectly, and reversed from there. And now we are pumping up. So gonna get into a little analysis here, see what can happen for the New York session. So if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we've got a tiny gap right here on the 4-hour time frame. So we could come up, tap into this gap up here, and then possibly get a reversal back down if it wants to come back down, or we can just continue up for the day. You know, oftentimes we see like a little tweener. It'll take a low right here, but leave this low and then pump all the way back up. So we could see a big move higher today if it starts to close above here too. What do you guys think is going to happen? You think the market's going to go up or down today? You think we're going to finish green on the day, or is it going to be a dump day? Right now the market is pumping. It's pumping here. Captain Jim, I don't know, dude. It is moving, isn't it? It's moving. Let me make a little analysis, though. Yeah, it is moving. Let me go over here to the 1 hour. Dude, it kind of looks like we can just reverse all the way back up. Today could be a huge day. Just reversal and pump. Because we got a liquidity sweep, and that might have been all it needed to pump up now. Look at it go, dude. So there's a liquidity sweep right there. And now it can just pump higher, dude. But we got 2 hours and 46 minutes left here. Dude, this thing's pumping. Four-hour fair value gap up here. It's inside of the current 4-hour fair value gap. So like to see if it's going to reject here or, you know, work up to that next 4-hour fair value gap. All right. Yo, thanks for the sub. Just doing a little analysis here on what could happen today during the New York session. So we're on the 4-hour time frame right now, marking out some scenarios that could happen. So I believe one of these levels are going to get hit. We're either going to pump up and come take out this high up here, or we're going to reject and come down here back to take out this low. Which one is going to happen? I'm going to use these fair value gaps here to determine that. So we got the sweep here and we get a nice reaction from it, right? So from here, if we start to close above here, we could go like this. You know, something like that. but it wouldn't look like that on the 4 hour. So if we get a closure above here, see something like this. Closure above equals higher. If we start to reject, then I can see it doing something like this. Right here. Dang, dude. I meant to put equals on here. Put a plus button. All right, so this is kind of what I'd be looking at today. You know, we swept this level right here, so I'm honestly leaning more toward I want to see us come higher, right? So let me write that. And so I'd honestly kind of rather see us go higher. Back to buy side. Yo, what's up, Mr. Dollar? What's up, Chewy? What's up, Buria? Let's go, Fit Day Aviator. Appreciate it. Yeah, so you see how we're starting to reject from this 4 hour fair value gap now? So we'll see what happens today. But this is going to be my analysis right here. Pretty good analysis, if I do say so myself. Got two scenarios that I could see playing out today. And these are them. But let me take a nice screenshot here and send it in the Discord. Send it in the Discord. And then we'll kind of get into some more action on the charts. All right. Yeah, join up the Discord if you're not in there. Join up in the Discord. Let's take a look here. We mark out this low right here now. And let me move all of this over. And then we'll jump down on the lower time frame and see what we can find. See if any trades happen right now when we're on. Let's see. All right, let's jump down here, see what's going on. So we got all of our levels here now. How's everybody doing, man? Are you green on the week or red? Let me know, are you green or red on the week? John said, just hit 50% of my target on 25K TPT eval on that pump on micros. Let's go, dude. Yeah, with this volatility, you don't need much. JJA, yes, there is an option for the lifetime. What's up, Chewy? Green. Chewy's green. Let's go. Let's go, dude. I'm super green on the week. Super green. Yeah, so this is kind of what I'll be looking for here today. See which way we want to go. Dude, Raisin, what happened, dude? You lost all your fun of the and evals? Mac Daddy. Nah, man. It's just been super volatile lately. I'm loving it, dude. I love when price is moving quick. But I have these let me turn this on. I have this indicator right here. It's called No Gaps Candles. I actually like it, dude. It oh, SP says bright green, near fluorescent. Let's go. Success in Finance says, hello, what are you trading today? This is NQ Futures, NASDAQ Futures. Dang, man. Laser. So no gaps candles. It's just like a lot of times during London session, like with the low volatility, like this morning, you wouldn't have needed it. But when there's gaps in candles, it takes those away. It makes the gaps bodies, which I mean, some people can say it could be worse, but I don't use inefficiency gaps anyway. So, and I just like the chart to look cleaner. So with that, it just makes it look cleaner. Nothing really. It doesn't do too much. It just kind of helps. I got a little OCD. Raisin. Yeah, you can, but I mean, it'll still be a gap. It'll still be a gap. So like, say there was a gap up right here. Well, it's still a gap just because it just fills in. It just fills in the gap with a candle body. Yo, thanks for the sub, JE. Let's go. Yeah, man. Dude, I could see us pumping up, honestly. I could see us pumping all the way back up. At least to the Asian highs in this gap up here. I mean, on the 15-minute, the shorter term, I could see us pumping to right here. Right there, shorter time frame. We're inside of this 4-hour gap though. But right here, it's a nice little target for like right now. But it's moving so quick, dude. Moving so quick. Look at this. We got a bull flag playing out right here. Seems like it. Sebi says, I'm up 700 on NQ. Let's go, dude. You got COVID, Devin? I thought that didn't even exist anymore. I thought COVID was gone, dude. How'd you get COVID? Let's go, dude. Devin's up 350. New strain of COVID is out. Yeah, but I could see the 15-minute coming up to take out this high right here for right now. We're inside of this 4-hour fair value gap, but like this high right here just kind of sticks out at you. So I could see us at least coming up to take this out. See what I'm saying? See how this high just really sticks out at you? Really just sticks out at you right here. So I could see us coming and taking it out on this 15-minute time frame. Somebody said, George said, hey man, could you explain what the thin lines on top of the candlesticks represent? Oh yeah, man. Yeah, I can do that. So basically, let's get on in here to a candlestick. So basically, this is a candlestick right here. We're gonna look at this candlestick. All right. So let's just mark it out here. So right here, the candle opened, and then this is where the candle closed. But during this 15-minute candle, it came all the way up to here, and it came all the way down to here. The wicks are just where the candle went. So the low of this candle came here, and the high of this candle came here. But after this candle closed, the candle opened up here, and it closed here. But during this 15-minute time frame, price came all the way down to here and all the way up to here. It just closed right here. If that makes sense. Let me know if that makes sense. Tried to explain it the best I could. Yo, John, thanks for the like. Hit the likes button, guys. If we get to 69 likes, we'll do a giveaway. But I am gonna not be on too long today. It's got to be 69 on the horizontal stream. Head over to the horizontal stream. It's a better view and stuff over there. Laser said, is TradingView Premium worth it? I like it, dude. I don't know. I really forgot what all you get with TradingView Premium. How many indicators can you have? I don't use that many indicators, but the ads were kind of annoying. So no ads are nice. But if you do get TradingView Premium, I would wait on like Black Friday. They do a huge sale on Black Friday every year. It's like stupid big sale. Black Friday, the sale gets crazy big. Contact an Indian, he can add it for $10 for 6 months. How? I'd like to know that. I'd like to know that too. Oh, dude, I got something to show you guys. I got something to show you. Let me go find it. Because I'm making this right now. It's a pendant. It's gonna be it's a 24 karat gold coin, and I'm making a pendant for it. So it's gonna be really cool, man. But yeah, it's gonna be a cool pendant making. It's a gold bezel around it, and it's got diamonds all around it, and then a little horseshoe. It's gonna be a bell. It's gonna be sweet, dude. It's huge. It's huge too. So, all right, we're rejecting from this 4-hour fair value gap. So let's see if we come back down here or what. Raisin. Yeah, it's for a necklace. It's a pendant for a necklace. Nah, I'm from Alabama. But let me mark this out. I think we're going here. Dude, that thing is big right now. I think we're gonna do something like this right here. Yo, Red Hot Sketches, thanks for the sub. Let's go. Member alerts didn't go off. Maybe it only happens for the first time. But thanks, bro. Appreciate it, Devin. It might only do it for the first time. I don't know. Yes, sir. We got 24 likes. If we can get to 69 likes, we'll do a giveaway. If we can get to 69, we'll do a giveaway. Where's everybody from? Stop what you're doing and drop it right now and let me know where you're from. Let me know. New Hampshire, Chicago, ATX. What's ATX? Lesotho. Where's Lesotho at? Cali, UK, LA. Let's go. George from London. Devin, Wisconsin. Greg, Texas. Mac Daddy, Tennessee. Let's go. Dude, we got people from everywhere in here. Jamie, Maryland. Nana from Dallas, Texas. Raisin, Morocco, North Africa. Whoa. Morocco, North Africa. Teach Like a DJ, Austin, Texas. Angel, upstate New York. Buria from Russia, dude. From Russia. Josh from Cali. Blaze, Germany. One Life Passion says Frankfurt Lasers in London. Dan from Michigan. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate all you guys hanging out here every morning. Dude, look at that. Big pump up, and now it's just chilling. Joe, it's in Southern Africa, nicknamed the Kingdom in the Sky. Whoa, that's a cool name. What's up, Jessica? Good morning. Caveman said, all over the middle of Missouri. Have a place that Warsaw Lake of the Ozarks, farm on, and a cabin on the... Let's go, dude. Heck yeah. Jans is from Poland. Sure, John from Pakistan. He's got the Mr. Beast logo. Let's see if we're going to come take this out. I think this is like the short-term target up here. I think we're going to come hit this right here. But let's see if it happens. Daniel's from Spain. Ontario, and however you say it, Canada. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's hit the like button. I want to do a giveaway today, man. 69 likes and we can do a giveaway on the horizontal stream. Called a trade this morning. Up 900 buckaroos. 900 bucks on the day, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Ida's from Sweden. Sure, John says views on gold. Gold only goes up. Gold only goes up. Wait on a pullback and buy. That's what it seems like, dude. Gold is crazy. Devin wants to see the trade recap. All right, let's do it. We did it already. Let's go through it again. I already deleted the drawing, so I'll just pull it up over here from the Discord. I'll just pull it up in the Discord here. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at the trade this morning. This was the trade this morning. So I said this was our trade. So first, let's look at the 4-hour time frame here. You see, we got this 4-hour fair value gap. We closed below it. So after I saw that, I was bearish until we hit this sell side level down here, which is just this bottom wick. So I was bearish until then. So knowing that, I dropped down to the lower time frame. We were coming down. I said I wanted to pull back and get an inversion entry down to that sell side level. Well, right here, we got this pullback, got a 1-minute inversion, closed below. I entered short, kind of hung up at this tiny 1-minute gap. Here, I closed for 21 points. It was Friday. I just wanted to get a win. And then it ended up coming down 48 points. And this is why I always say take profits, because it literally edged this sell side level right here. And you can see right here, it edged that sell side level, came all the way back up, would have stopped us out, and then hit the full target. So it did take out that sell side level, and after it took out that sell side level, it's been pumping up ever since. So I knew it was going to go take out that level. It took it out and been pumping up ever since. Boss says, do you always buy or sell when the candles stick to support resistance? That's how you always trade. I don't really know exactly what you're asking, but I just use basically fair value gaps and inversion fair value gaps. And then, but the main thing is trying to figure out where the draw is, where you think price is heading currently. And once you figure out where price is heading, then you can use an entry model to get there. It's not the other way around. You don't want to use your entry strategy and then try to figure out where price is going, because you can get faked out that way. You always want to figure out, the first thing you want to do is try to figure out where price is heading, like where you think it's currently going, what level you think it wants to go take out. And then once you figure that out, then that's when you want to find your entry. Yo, Sebi's up 800 going for 2K. Yes, sir, Devin. Let's do it. Miss K, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Let's go. We got 41 likes. We only need 69 likes. If you're in here, hit that sub button. Also, we live stream every single morning, 7 a.m. Eastern time. I will, except for yesterday, my internet was out. But crazy morning yesterday. My internet went out. Kraken said, is there a good app to do this on mobile? Just download TradingView. Download the app called TradingView. Let's see if it's gonna take out this level here. I mean, ever since I kind of got on, it did pump up at the beginning, but right now it's literally just chopping here. Like I don't even see anything I would enter. I think it's going up here, but nothing really to enter right here. Man, dude, the long after the liquidity sweep would have been perfect. It literally swept out that level and has been pumping up ever since. How many points, dude? How many points off of these lows? 320 points off the lows. Kraken says, you have any broker recommendations? I use AMP, but I would recommend prop firms. Live trading is really hard. Prop firms are a good way to get in for a little bit of money and make a crazy large amount of money. So I would definitely recommend prop firms. I use them. It's how I started making a bunch of money. VG Boar, there should be a button next to like the subscribe button that says join. There should be a button next to the subscribe button. It should say join on it. There you go. Thanks, Devin. See there, dude? We're coming to take out this level, dude. I know it. I know it. That's what I said. We're gonna come take it out, dude. There it goes. It's going to do it. Please scare us with a fat discount on the premium membership on Discord for Halloween. Might have to do it. What kind of discount are you thinking? What kind of discount? Hey, I might get an inversion right here. I just don't really have a clear target right now. I mean, technically, this 4-hour fair value gap would still be holding. So this inversion play could be good if you're bearish to take it down. You know? But think about it like this. This 4-hour candle is inside of a fair value gap right now. Okay? And so it just wicked above it, and if it holds it, it could reject and come down. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Just made an IFEG, so Boss says, when will you take your entry again? I'm probably done for the day. I think I am, because I took a trade this morning during the London session and cashed out. So, and nothing's super clear right now. Like, I wouldn't take a trade right now because I don't have any clear targets. You know, like yesterday, no, 2 days ago during London session, there were no clear targets, so I didn't take a trade, but there were clear targets during the pre-market, so I took a trade in pre-market. Right now, there's nothing too clear. Like this morning, there was a sell side level lower that was super clear, so we caught the sales down to that level. And as soon as it took out the level, it's reversed and came up 320 points now. So it must have been clear to a lot of people. Because when it took out that level, everybody started buying. Yo, let's go, guys. Let's hit that like button. We got 49 likes. If we get to 69, I'll do a giveaway. I got to get off here early today too. I got an errand to run before work. Boss says, I'm new to trading. Can you give me advice on when to and when not to take entry? Yeah, just join the Discord, dude. Tons of free education in the Discord. It's kind of a lot to explain in right here on YouTube right now. So yeah, boss, just join the free Discord and we can chat it up in there if you want. But it'd be kind of a lot to explain right here. There's so much to trading and stuff. But if you want a quick answer to that is buy low, sell high. Buy when it's low, sell when it's high, and you'll make money. Pretty much. But trading is very complicated. Looky here. This is exactly what I'm talking about here. So like, don't just like this inversion gap would have played out to like break even, but like I think it's gonna come up to here. So not every gap will work, you know. We'll see if this one ends up rejecting here and falling off. But if it ends up coming up, that's a perfect example of why you just shouldn't blindly pattern trade the entry models. But I could be wrong. I could be wrong on this target here, and it could dump off here. We'll see. We'll see. Just playing the probabilities. I think it's probably going to come up to this area right here. We got 52 likes. Let's get it to 69 here. I got to get off here soon, dude. Hurry, hurry. We got 92 people in here. I know if you guys hit the like button, we can get it up to 69 so we can do a giveaway. I want to give away a funded account today. Come on. Come on. I want to give it away. Ahmed, what's up, dude? What's up? Sebi says, how many saw Trump's glazing competition last night? What happened? I didn't see it. Sebi, explain it for us. What happened? Yo, Chris, what up, dude? Everybody, yeah, join the Discord if you're not in there. There's a lot of free education there. We're always chatting about markets and stuff. It's a good time. Good time in there, you know. If you're not in there, what are you doing with your life? If you're not in the Trades by Slade Discord, what are you doing? We got 59 likes. We need 10 more, dude. 10 more, and somebody's gonna win a free funded account. Cody said, could this be the start of an AMD? I mean, and on what time frame? Like this right here is kind of just chop. Kind of just chop right now, chopping around. To me, it looks like just chopping back and forth. I mean, yeah, I guess it could be. This could be the start if we consolidate here, get a nice displacement candle, and then an inversion back down. Get that inversion right there. It could be. I see what you're saying now. I mean, yeah, it could be. We have a level right here that we're looking for to take out. This could be the accumulation. We could manipulate higher to take out this level, and then we could get a distribution back down right here. Yo, thanks for the sub, Dan Sant. Thanks for the sub, Rahman. Let's go. We got 62 likes. We're racing the clock right now. Racing the clock. Can we get it? All right, look at there. So might play out. This inversion might play out here. I might be completely wrong. Might just start coming down now. TJP says, I've been doing great trading gold during Asia. Done for the day. Let's go, dude. I'm done for the day also. Feels phenomenal. Jakaria says, this market tried to go up. Your analysis is good. Thanks. Looks like it's coming down now, though. I think it'll come take this out for sure at some point, though. Just don't know when. You know, it could come down. It could come down, rebalance some of this, make an inversion, and come up. And it'd actually be a nice trade if you got something like that right there to take it up to this level. But it's also inside of this 4-hour fair value gap, so it could just be rejecting the fair value gap and not even going to worry about this level up here. Satire says, does a fair value gap remain as a confluence even if the price surpasses it? Yeah, it depends on the closure. So this is a 4-hour fair value gap. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. In my eyes, it does. It only matters on the closure of the candle. So you see here, we wicked this 4-hour fair value gap, but we are rejecting it. You see, if this 4-hour candle would close above this gap, then it would be invalidated here, and that would create an inversion, and we're probably going to go higher. If this candle, this 4-hour candle closed above it, probably go higher. But it's rejecting it right now, so yeah. 64 likes. Come on, guys. We got to hurry. I'm about to have to get off. Look at that rejection. 100 people in here, and we can't get 69 likes to do a giveaway, dude. Let's do it. Hit the like button. Dude, at some point in the future, I don't want to have to say hit the like button. I want you guys to just hit the like button, get it to 69 likes, and we can just do a giveaway. I don't even want to have to say it. I just want to be streaming, looking at the charts, and then the chat's like, Slade, dude, we're at 69 likes. Where's the giveaway? And I'm like, oh, you're right. We are at 69 likes. Let's do a giveaway. But we're about to be there. Join up in the Discord. Type in the giveaway channel. Type in the giveaway channel of the Discord to be entered into the giveaway. I'm assuming you guys are going to get me one more like because we're at 68 right now. I'm just going to assume that one more person here is going to hit the like button. There we go. All right, let's do the giveaway. Join up in the Discord. Type in the giveaway channel right here. Type in the giveaway channel. give away. Giveaway. Everybody type in there. Let's go. Free funded account, Satire, the Discord. It's either on my profile in my bio. You can click that link, or it should be in the description of the video of the live stream. Let's go, dude. Somebody said how to participate. You got to join the Discord. The link's in the description to join, or it's on my profile on my page. Hit that link and join the Discord and type in the giveaway channel. You can type anything in the giveaway channel, you'll be entered in. Devin sharing a link there also. Let's go. All right, are you guys ready? You ready to run it? You ready to run the giveaway? Is everybody in? Is everybody in the giveaway? Somebody says, hold up. Hold up. We're going to run it in 2 minutes, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock Eastern time. 2 minutes here. We're going to run the giveaway. You got 2 minutes to enter the giveaway. You've got 2 minutes. Enter up. Enter up. Oh, and guys, if you are green on the day, if you have a green trade today, please lock it up. Don't ruin your weekend on a Friday. You know, don't ruin your weekend by blowing up on a Friday. If you take one loss, just call it a day. If you take one win, call it a day. Or just don't even trade. Don't ruin your weekend on a Friday. You know, I recommend just taking one trade on a Friday and calling it a day. That's what I did. I took one trade and I'm gonna be finished up. Not even gonna take another trade today. There you go, Carolina. Thinking of not trading. I mean, the market's already moved a lot today, so. Jessica said Discord won't let me in. It should. What's going on with that? Don't know what's going on. If you join through the WAP though, it should definitely work. Somebody said pass the giveaway account before the weekend. Let's go. All right, we're about to run it. We're running it. Let me go get all these people. A lot of people in here today. Last second entry right here. Last second entry. Someone else gonna type. Right there. Boom. There it is. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. All right, there it is. Give me the list of names for everyone that typed a message. There it is. And I'll say Devin said to add Jessica to the list. All right, here's the updated list here. Right there. Boom. There it is. Who's ready? We got everybody in here. Everybody in here. Okay. I'm gonna say narrow it down to 10 random people. Narrow it down. Narrow it down to 10 random people. I don't have time for the duck race today. All right, there's the 10 random people. We got Void, JC, Meth, Mark G, Jessica, Pringy, Q, Skittles, BJ, the DJ, Ghostface, and Laser. Now we're going to narrow it down to 3. All right. Jessica, Void, and Mark G. Uh-oh. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? I'm going to say, okay, throw them all in a hat, shuffle it up a lot, and pick a winner. Jessica won. Let's see. Jessica, join up in the Discord so I can give away that account. Jessica won. Let's go. Yeah, join up in the Discord so I can give it away. When you join up, just message me in there. All right, sweet. When you join up, just let me know you're in there, and I'll get you that account over. Let's go. Yeah, now you got to figure it out. Look at there, dude. I'm telling you, I'm trying to tell you it's going up here. There was a nice inversion entry right there, too. I'm telling you, it's going up to this level. Let's go. All right. All right. I am about to head off of here. If you're in the Discord, I'm doing a class this weekend, so be on the lookout for the premium members. Going to be doing a class, back testing maybe, but mainly a class going over stuff, how I trade and how we made money this week. So join up in the Discord and let's go. See you guys on Monday. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see ya. Peace.
Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by Slade, hard in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Spin stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by Slade, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror ain't falling from grace. Slaves by slaves